How to fix Facebook Messenger notifications issue. Well, to fix Facebook Messenger notifications, if you're having error with it, then what you can do is, now if you're using iPhone particularly, if you're using Android, you can head into settings, you can head into apps. Under apps, you can head into Messenger and then find the notification section and enable it through settings. And if you're using on your iPhone, you can open up Messenger. Now on Android as well, you can head into menu and you can head into settings. Under settings, you can find notifications and sounds option, and you can enable this here. Make sure do not is disabled and enable all necessary notifications that you want. On Android as well, you can do so similarly. Now however, on iPhone there is a problem that I faced recently. So I was unable to turn on my Messenger notifications. So I was unable to get any notification. I tried enabling through the app, but it prompted me to go to do through settings. And when I headed to settings, once under settings, you have to head into notifications option, and from the list of apps you should find Messenger here, and you have to enable it from here. Now the problem that I faced was that I was unable to find the Messenger app in this notification style section. So in that case, what can you do? Well, the simple and easiest way to fix this issue is to uninstall your application, uninstall the Messenger application, and then reinstall it back again. And then once you open up the app, it'll give you the prompt whether you want to allow the notifications. Tap on allow, and once you allow it, your notifications, and then later on you can come into notifications and check if the Messenger is stored. So that helped in mine, and I enabled my notification that way. Hope this helps for you. Do like and subscribe.